In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to short crypto on Binance step by step. If you're looking to understand how shorting works on this popular platform, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Binance account and navigate to the futures section, specifically the USDT futures. This section allows you to trade using tethered stablecoins, which can give you a bit more stability in the often volatile world of cryptocurrency futures trading. Once you're there, the next step is to search for and select your desired crypto pair. For the sake of this tutorial, let's consider the BTC USDT pair, one of the most commonly traded on the platform. Finding your pair is crucial. It dictates what asset you'll be shorting and is the basis of any trades you'll make. Now, an important decision awaits, choosing between isolated or cross margin mode. Isolated margin mode limits your risk to the specific position you are opening, meaning you'll only lose what you have allocated to that single trade. Cross margin mode, on the other hand, leverages your entire margin balance to manage risks and maintain your position, automatically dipping into other available balances to protect the position. Your choice here depends on your risk appetite and overall trading strategy. After selecting your margin mode, you will then need to choose sell short as your order direction. This step essentially sets the stage for shorting. By choosing to sell or short a cryptocurrency, you're betting that its price will go down, allowing you to buy it back at a lower price later on. Next, you'll need to choose the type of order you wish to place. Binance offers several options, but most commonly traders use limit or market orders. A limit order allows you to specify the price at which you want to execute the trade, while a market order will execute immediately at the current market price. Once you've chosen your order type, you'll enter the amount of the crypto you want to short and confirm the trade. Remember, shorting is essentially selling a borrowed asset in the hope that you can buy it back at a lower price. This final step underlines your intention to short the market. Finally, when you decide to close your position, you'll do so by placing a buy order. This inverts your initial short position and is where you'll realize any profit or loss. If the price has indeed moved in your favor, congratulations, you've successfully shorted a cryptocurrency on Binance. And there you have it, a straightforward path to shorting crypto on Binance. Make sure to assess your risk and keep informed about market trends, as crypto trading involves significant risk. Thanks for watching and happy trading.